I'm proud to be part of the Coles GRAZE network of farmers.
GRAZE lamb is grass-fed, no antibiotic, no cereal grain and free to roam. It's good to know that we're delivering good quality lamb to happy customers all around Australia.
My name's Willie Morrison. I'm a GRAZE lamb farmer from Cressy in northern Tasmania. I became a sheep farmer because I grew up on a sheep farm. My father was a sheep farmer and his father was a sheep farmer, so it seemed like the right thing to do. It was great growing up, working alongside my father. We learned a lot from him.
Farming's very much in my blood, I think, yeah. That's all I've wanted to do. I'm proud to know that people still want to do what I'm interested in and look after the place and make it even better.
We supply lamb to the GRAZE brand, which is exclusively available at Coles. Coles have high standards for quality. We have really high standards in producing lamb, and that makes us the perfect partners. Tasmania is perfect for rearing lamb because of the climate and the readily available irrigation water. Cressy is predominantly winter rainfall and cooler summers.
The environment enables us to supply coals for longer throughout the year.
The healthy grass is super important for us. I believe it presents itself in the texture of the meat, making it more tender. We take soil samples to measure the nutrient levels in the soil.
Without good quality grass, we can't produce good quality lamb. In our farming operation,
we need to really care for the land. We've planted about 10,000 trees. This is something we take pride in. The farm's been in the family since 1929.
It's been handed down from generation to generation.
I'd like Aussies to know when they buy GRAZE lamb at Coles, they're getting a consistent quality product
that has been well cared for.
It's great to know that so many millions of families around Australia are sitting down to enjoy lamb that we've produced and knowing that it's of such a good quality.